Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the gift wrap bundle. So here's the card. I made it look like a present because this stamp set bundle has all these cute little bows and a fun punch to punch out the bows and the tag, and then this little piece that you can put in the middle of your bow. Super cute stamp set and bundle. And I'm also using the Plaid Tidings Designer Series paper. Both of these are retiring, the bundle and the paper. This is my favorite paper from the holiday catalog. You can see all these fun plaids that are in this designer series paper. I just love it. So there's this really bold black and white one. So I'm going to adhere this down. See, it's double-sided, of course, with some Stampin' Seal to some black cardstock. And just gonna make that pop. And then of course I love to pop this up on dimensionals. So I'm gonna use some dimensionals to pop this layer up. Oh, I have 2 layers. No worries. I have plenty of dimensionals that I can use here. Let's see, I'll use one of these. I'll use that other one for something else. I just think this really gives not only more dimension to the card, but some more interest to the card. And it's just really fun to pop this layer up. So we're just gonna center this layer. And now I've already punched out this little piece that goes in the middle there. So now I'm going to stamp in real red the bow. So here's my bow. And I've cut out this little strip of 2 by 3. Stamp that straight down. And now I've got a little place for my hand to hold the paper while I insert it into my punch and punch it out, pointing down so all these little pieces don't go flying everywhere. And I've got my bow. So I've also stamped with the stars. You can see all the little stars. This is the little star stamp. And this is gonna create my wrap that I'm doing for my present here. So I'm just gonna place this on the card because I've already stamped that one. I'm going to just pull a scrap piece of paper in and I'll finish stamping this one. I just did kind of a random design here. And just stamped these all the way down the cardstock. Like that. And then I can place this across. So, and then I've got this piece right here, and I'm going to use a glue dot for that piece because it's so small. Just make it easier to place right there. And then I can use a dimensional. I'll use a mini dimensional for this. Right in the middle there. And then I'll place that up here. And then I can stamp my sentiment in black, tied with love. I like the sentiments. And then I'm going to cut some of it off, and then I'll use the Banners Pick a Punch tag to punch off the end here. Here's the Banners Pick a Punch tag. And let's see, we're using this one, and I'm going to do it upside down so I can see where I'm punching. And then I'm just going to adhere this flat. And just stick that right in there. And there's my card. So I'm offering a class on the gift wrapped bundle. All you have to do is go to my website, and I offer supplies for 2 of each of these projects, card, and this is actually a gift card holder. It's a little bit sticky, but you open it up and you can put a gift card in there, so that's really fun and cute. And then you can just put it back together. And if you use this hostess code, place a $30 order and send me an email and let me know that you would like this gift wrapped bundle, then I will send it to you for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again next time. Thanks.